In this video, you're going to see that Trucker Rudi 100% had the right of way. He was a moving vehicle, and the other vehicle was not moving whatsoever. I applaud Trucker Rudi for his composure in this situation. Some people that are a little more hot-headed, me included, would have stepped out of the truck and ended up in jail. But this is a perfect example of how drivers act like animals instead of people on the road. And they're not thinking that life is fragile and it can end at any moment, because some people are packing, and even if you're not packing, you might still be deadly.
567 miles to go up to Winnipeg. I don't know where this guy is planning on going. At least turn on your signal light if you want to go somewhere, you know. Come on. Alright, he's mad. He's giving me the number 1. Oh, he's coming out. Yeah, he's coming out. Alright guys, be prepared. For a mad boy. Good morning, sir. Well, you could have at least turned your signal on which way you're going.
I'm in a fucking parking lot, bitch.
Oh, yeah? Doesn't matter.
Do you turn signal on in a fucking parking lot?
Yeah, I do. So that way I let the other drivers know which way we're going.
I'm coming to a parking lot going to the fuel line.
Well, I don't know that, right? You could have been going that way, right?
Then why are you trying to pass me if you think I'm going toward the exit?
You're going really slow.
You're a fucking bitch.
Alright, well, you'll be on YouTube anyways.
Get out of the truck, bitch.
No.
Come on.
Why?
Come on, get out of the truck.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
You gonna be a big badass and blow your fucking horn. Come on.
Why?
I'm standing right here.
Well, I'm right here.
You gonna be a pussy ass bitch and get the fuck out of the parking lot.
Well, you have a good day, sir. Yeah.
Come on.
No.
Come on, get out.
No.
Come on.
No.
You gonna sit up there behind that steering wheel and be a coward little bitch.
No.
Where the fuck you are?
Yeah, some people, right? They want to be a big boy. Yeah, he could have, really, he could have turned on the signal light. I don't know which way he wants to go, right?
After this situation was taken care of, the safety director called Rudi and treated him like he was a pariah or an idiot. He talked down to him, and so Tennessee still hollers, you can suck our dick.
Please consider subscribing. We would love to get up to 6,000 subscribers. That would be so cool if you guys could help me get there. We are currently in Albert Lea, Minnesota. We're just getting our day started. I hope you guys had a good night's sleep. If you're watching this first thing in the morning, it is a beautiful morning up here today again. It really is. We got basically 567 miles to go up to Winnipeg. I don't know where this guy is planning on going.